for years that we made. They won't ever fade. They'll stay till I'm